How to create an IMMI account. There's nothing more frustrating than preparing all your visa documents only to realize you can't even start your application because you don't have an IMMI account. Every year, thousands of applicants in Australia hit this same wall. They gather police checks, fill out forms, even write personal statements, but without an IMMI account, none of it can go anywhere. It's an online gateway that connects you directly with the Department of Home Affairs. And without it, you can't lodge a visa, upload evidence, track progress, or pay your fees. But here's the tricky part. Many people still get this very simple step wrong. They enter inconsistent details, skip verification emails, or forget passwords and ends up delaying or even ruining their visa process. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your IMMI account, what mistakes to avoid, and how to secure it properly so you don't lose access halfway through your visa journey. Should you create an IMMI account yourself? Now, before you rush to make one, it's important to know when to DIY and when to call a professional. If you're applying for a simple temporary visa like a visitor or working holiday visa, you might be able to create an IMMI account and apply yourself. But even visitor visa refusals happen every single day, not because people are bad candidates, but because the government fears they might overstay. Now, if you're applying for a permanent visa like skilled migration, a partner visa, or any pathway to permanent residency, the stakes are much higher. These applications are complex and the department has zero tolerance for errors. I've seen permanent visa applications refused just because someone uploaded the wrong police clearance or missed a single signature on a declaration. And once that happens, you can end up waiting up to 2 years or longer for a review at the Administrative Review Tribunal. That's only if you have review rights in the first place. So yes, you can create your own IMMI account. But if your visa outcome will decide your future in Australia, it might be worth getting help from a qualified migration lawyer before you click that submit button. What exactly is an IMMI account? So basically, in 2013, the Australian government launched the IMMI account system to modernize the visa process. It's not just a website, it's your official communication channel with the Department of Home Affairs. Now, once you have one, your IMMI account lets you lodge, upload, pay, and track your visa all from one secure portal. You'll also get automatic email alerts every time the department needs something from you. And unlike paper applications, IMMI account lets you make payments securely, view your visa conditions, and stay updated in real time. So if you're still thinking of doing things the old-fashioned way, you're putting your entire timeline and possibly your visa at risk. Before you begin, what you'll need. Now let's say you've decided to set one up yourself. Here's what you need before you even open the registration page. Make sure you have a working email address, because this is how the department verifies your identity and sends all communication. If you lose access to this inbox, you'll lose access to your visa updates. You'll also need to enter your personal details exactly as they appear on your passport. If your name is Michael Jordan Green, but you enter Michael Jordan, that single mismatch can cause serious verification errors later on. Finally, have a strong password and memorable security questions ready to go. These protect your account, and if you forget them, recovery can take days. Step by step, how to create an IMMI account. Now, let's go step by step. Step 1 is starting the registration. Go to the official IMMI account registration page on the Department of Home Affairs website. Enter your email address and click submit. Within seconds, you'll receive a verification code in your inbox. Now, this code confirms your identity and links your email to your account. If it doesn't appear, check your spam or your junk folder, or just click resend code. Let's say you forget to verify and you move on anyway, your account won't be activated and you'll miss every important email from the department. Don't skip this step. Step 2 is to enter your details. Now, once your email is verified, the system will ask for your user details. Choose an individual account, because this is for personal visa or citizenship applications. The other option, organization account, is for law firms and registered migration agents like Australian migration lawyers. Enter your personal details exactly as they appear on your passport, including your full name, date of birth, and nationality. There's even a small mismatch. The system may flag your profile later when you try to submit your visa application. Step 3 is to secure your login. You'll create your password, set your security questions. Now choose something strong and unique. Remember, your IMMI account stores sensitive personal data, so treat it like your digital visa vault. You can also enable security alerts, which notify you if someone else tries to log into your account. Now, this feature is optional, but highly recommend it. The next step is to accept and activate. Finally, you'll read and accept the terms and conditions, check the "I'm not a robot" box, and click submit. Within a few moments, you'll get an activation email. Click the link. Congratulations, you now have your ImmiAccount. When you log in, you'll see your dashboard. If you've already applied for any visas, they'll appear there. If not, the page will be empty, at least for now. But from this dashboard, you will manage everything: visa application, document uploads, payments, and communication with the department directly. Now here's the key. Every time the department sends you a message or a request, you'll get an email alert linked to this account. Ignoring those messages, and your visa could be refused for failure to respond within the time frame. Navigating your ImmiAccount dashboard. Now, once your account is active, you'll land on your ImmiAccount dashboard. This is where everything happens. Let's say you log in for the first time. The screen looks simple, but it's powerful. You will see all the visa or citizenship applications linked to your account, including any that you've started but haven't submitted yet. If you've already lodged an application, it will show the current status, whether it's received, in progress, or finalized. You can even sort them by date to see your most recent lodgement. Clicking on any application gives you a closer look. You can upload new documents, pay fees, or respond to department requests. Each action you take inside this portal is automatically recorded, which means it's part of your official application record. Now imagine this. You've lodged a student visa, and a few days later you get an email from Home Affairs asking for additional documents. Now, instead of mailing anything, you simply log into your ImmiAccount. You open your application and upload the evidence right there. That's how seamless it is. But it also means you need to check your account regularly. Missing even a single message can cost you your visa. Uploading documents. Now, one of the biggest benefits of having an ImmiAccount is how easy it is to upload and manage your documents. There's a method to it, and skipping a step can create delays. Let's say you need to upload your proof of address, your academic transcript, or your passport. Here's how it works. When you open your application, there's a section called Attach Documents. You'll see your name and the names of any family members included in your application. You choose the person you're uploading for, and you select the document purpose from a drop-down list. For example, address, residential, evidence of. Next, you'll select the document type, let's say driver's license or passport. If your document doesn't fit any listed category, you can select Other Documents. Then you'll click Browse and pick the file from your computer. You can even upload multiple documents of the same type, like multiple bank statements or payslips, all at once. Now, once you click Attach, the document will appear under the Received section with a green tick mark. That tick means it's been successfully uploaded and received by the department. But here's something to keep in mind. Don't spam your uploads. Every file you attach is part of your official record. Uploading duplicates or unnecessary evidence can make your file confusing and delay processing. Think of it this way. Every file you upload should help prove your case. If it doesn't, leave it out or ask your migration lawyer if it's necessary. The role of your ImmiAccount after lodgement. Your ImmiAccount doesn't stop being useful after you hit submit. In fact, it becomes even more important. This is where the department sends all official messages about your visa, updates, requests for more documents, or even final decisions. Now, let's say you've just submitted your partner visa. 2 months later, Home Affairs sends you a message asking for additional relationship evidence. You'll get an email alert saying you have a new message in your ImmiAccount. From there, you log in, open your application, and see a message directly from the case officer. It will tell you what documents they need and how long you have to provide them. You can respond directly through your ImmiAccount by uploading the new evidence and confirming submission. Once uploaded, you'll see that green check mark again. If you move houses, change your phone number, or update your passport, you can also update your details directly in your account. It's quick and keeps your file current. But here's a warning. If you ignore a request or miss an update, your visa could be refused for failure to respond. The department doesn't call or chase you. They assume you've seen that message. That's why we always tell clients, check your ImmiAccount at least once a week until your visa is finalized. What happens after you apply through your ImmiAccount? So you finally submitted your visa application through your ImmiAccount, you've uploaded every document, you've paid your fees, you've hit that final submit button, and you breathe Sign of relief. But this is actually where things begin. After submission, your ImmiAccount becomes your lifeline. It's where every update, request, notification from the Home Affairs Department will appear. Let's say a few weeks go by. You log in and you see a new message from Home Affairs. It's a request for further information, maybe a new police clearance, a medical report, or proof of funds. Now this is normal. Most visa applications go through a back and forth stage before final assessment. You'll also be able to see your application status on the main dashboard: received, assessment in progress, or finalized. Now when it's finalized, the outcome letter, where it's a grant or a refusal, will appear right there in your ImmiAccount inbox. If the department needs you to complete a medical exam, they'll send you a HAP ID, which you'll use to book your appointment at an approved clinic. Same goes for biometrics. You'll get an official request with instructions on where to go and what to bring. Every one of these steps happens digitally through your account, so it's crucial to keep checking it even if you think everything is fine. Many refusals happen simply because applicants miss a message or forget to respond within the time frame. Now remember, the department doesn't send reminders. If they give you 28 days to respond, they mean it. Now, why working with a lawyer can save you time and mistakes. Creating your own ImmiAccount might seem simple enough, and usually is, but the visa process behind it rarely is. I've seen people who spent hours carefully creating their ImmiAccount only to have their visa refused for something small like missing evidence or a misunderstanding of the department's instructions. That's where having a migration lawyer makes all the difference. That means no missed requests, no incorrect uploads, and no confusing technical hurdles. You'll still receive email alerts, but we'll make sure every deadline is met and every submission is correct. We also ensure your case is legally sound before it even reaches Home Affairs. Our lawyers check for inconsistencies, gaps in documentation, and potential refusal triggers, fixing them long before they become problems. You also have access to updates, but we handle the technical side, ensuring your application is decision-ready and fully compliant with the law. Creating your ImmiAccount is just the beginning of your migration journey. It's simple in theory, but one wrong detail can cause major setbacks down the road. If you'd rather have experts handle the process for you, book a consultation with Australian migration lawyers today. We'll assess your eligibility, help you avoid costly mistakes, and manage your entire visa process from creating your ImmiAccount to final approval. Make sure to click on the link in the description to learn more about our no visa, no fee options. Terms and conditions apply.